So at 54, I realized something that literally stopped me cold. And no, it wasn't just all this friggin' snow. It was this. If nothing changed, I'd be working well past 65. So we were stupid short for retirement, which meant I wasn't done working. And that hit me harder than I literally expected because it wasn't just about the money. It was about the time. It was about looking at my grandkids and wondering if I'd still be asking for vacation days at 68. It was about realizing I had worked my whole life responsibly and still didn't have enough. That's a heavy feeling, and maybe you felt that way too. That moment when you realize that you either accept it or you change something. I didn't want to wait for someday to start living my retirement dreams. I didn't want freedom at 72. I wanted options now. So instead of hoping that retirement would magically fix itself, I built something instead. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I built, why earning online today is more realistic than ever, especially for us in our 50s or older, the strategy that actually creates income, not just activity, and how you can build a location-free income from your phone or your laptop so you're not tied to a building or a location or a boss or a retirement date. Because what I discovered works from anywhere. Here I am now in Costa Rica. This is why I made the decision. My income is not tied to a location anymore. I earn from here just as well as I earn from snowy Canada. Like, check out this view from my bedroom, right? Isn't Costa Rica beautiful? Within a year, I replaced my 9-to-5 income, and that was the moment that I knew, like, we were not stuck anymore. Over time, I earned more than I did at my 9-to-5, and by 58, I had generated over 7 figures in the online space. Now, this did not happen overnight, and definitely not without learning a new skill and not without effort on my part. But because I built a system and it was something that was structured, something that works whether I'm in Canada or here in Costa Rica, and that's what I'm breaking down for you today. Hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada, and I help fellow midlifers to build a flexible income so they're not stuck waiting till 65 to finally live life. Now, I wasn't techie, I was not trendy for sure, but I was willing to learn. And that made all the difference. If you'd like the simple outline structure of what I followed, you can download my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's in the description below. It'll give you a clear picture of how this all fits together. Now let's talk about why this is actually more realistic today than it was years ago. Because years ago, this was a lot more complicated. You needed to build websites from scratch, you needed to know coding, and you needed tech skills that most of us were never taught. And if you're anything like me, tech is not my thing. Now, I can use my phone, I can use my computer, my laptop, but coding, building complicated websites or systems, yeah, no, my brain does not have the time for that or the capacity. And here's the good news. You do not need that anymore. Technology has gotten so much easier. Systems have been put into place to help regular people like you and me create things a lot faster. You don't need to code, you don't need to hire developers, and you don't need to build everything from scratch. So yay! The tools are simpler, the platforms are so much smarter, and that changes everything and opens up more opportunities, right? Plus, we have social media platforms to use like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, which is my favorite. Like, you are watching this on YouTube right now. These platforms are absolutely free to use. You don't have to pay for advertising to get started. You can use organic content. Once you learn a skill called digital marketing, which I'm going to explain next, using these platforms becomes so much easier because you're not guessing. You're not just posting randomly, you're posting with strategy. So I don't want you thinking that age is a restriction, because it's not. If you have an open mind and you're willing to learn new skills, you want to teach that brain new ways, and you have a desire to change your situation, you can learn new things. You know, we weren't raised with this type of technology. Most of us didn't grow up with social media at all, but we have options now. And that is incredibly exciting because I got the results I've gotten by opening myself up to learn things that didn't come naturally to me. And if I can do that in my 50s, you can too. Now, here's the part that really matters. Just being on social media does not mean you are going to earn money. And just posting does not mean income, right? That's where most people get stuck because the platform is a tool. The real leverage comes from skills behind it, and that skill is digital marketing. Digital marketing is simply this. It's connecting a solution to someone who is actively looking for it. That is it. There's no dancing on TikTok required, and there's no going viral needed. It's understanding how to position something valuable in front of the right person who wants it with a system built in that follows up. And once I really understood that, everything for me changed because I stopped asking, how do I go viral? I started asking, how do I build a structure? And structure creates results, not instant results, predictable results. Now, in the past, I tried affiliate products. I tried being an Amazon influencer, print on demand, and you can watch some of my other videos where I explain more of that. And they gave me small wins. And small wins do matter, but they weren't scalable. Then I saw digital marketing was projected to be one of the fastest growing in-demand skills, and that got my attention because skill is transferable. If you understand marketing, you can literally sell anything, like ice to Eskimos or sunshine to Costa Ricans. So I knew I needed something digital, either create my own digital something or leverage something that somebody else built. As a beginner, I did not feel equipped to create something from scratch. I had bought programs and nothing really clicked for me until February of 2024. And that's when I found an educational program that taught me digital marketing. It taught me automation, simple funnels, how to build an email list, and product positioning. Now, it was really something that helped me to shorten my learning curve so I could speed up the earning process. I wasn't guessing anymore. I was following a proven structure. And it gave me my first digital products that I could resell and earn 100% from while I was learning. So if you want to see what that educational format actually looks like, there's a free class that I've linked below. Just watch it and see if it's a good fit for you. Because when I saw it, it radically changed how I looked at earning online. Now let's talk about location-free income, because here I am in Costa Rica, got a little bit of a sunburn already. It's only day 2, because this is where it becomes real. What that program taught me was all about automation. Now, automation means this. Someone watches your content, just like you're watching my video now. They click on a link in the description, they enter their email address, and the system educates, it builds trust, it introduces solutions. That's it. So while I am here enjoying my holiday, my automation is still working. I am bringing in sales while I was on the plane to come here. And while I was just swimming in the pool there like an hour or so ago, sales came in on my phone because of automation. I was not glued to my phone. I was having fun, living my life, making my memories here because I had a system in place that was already built. The emails were already written. The videos were live, running for me 24/7. And when my phone buzzed, it wasn't hustle, it was structure. It was a system. That is the difference between location-dependent job and a location-free system that I can run from my phone. Okay, so because I learned the skill, I didn't stop there. I've gone on to create my own digital products, my own monthly membership. I have multiple affiliate income streams that I layer into a system. I have up to 18 different ways that I can earn income. Not by working 18 jobs, but by building one structured system. Now, I did not start with 18. I started with just one product, one system, and one platform. And then I started to layer in others. That's how growth happens. Now, retirement wasn't going to happen the traditional way for us. So I built something different instead. So if you're realizing you don't want to wait either, then you're going to want to download that blueprint that I mentioned. It's in the description below, and also watch that free class and just see what's possible, because retirement should not be a date. It should be a decision. And learning the right skills can change everything about that decision. So now that you know exactly what I built to earn a location-free business, even here from Costa Rica, you'll want to watch this video right here as I break down how I went on to make $650,000 in my first year of learning this skill. All right, now I'm getting back to that pool because it's stinking hot here in Costa Rica. I'll see you in the next video.